Export-import trade is called as the king of trade because of mainly three reasons. Number one, it has got highest profitability. Number two, it has got highest potential to grow. Number three, it has got wider global market to expand. Globalization, by removing trade and tariff barriers, not only created a great global progressive movement across the nations, but it also created a level playing field for all the nations for showcasing their products across the world. Export trade is playing a big and crucial role in the development and growth of each country as it occupies nearly about 40 to 50% of stake in the GDP of each country as well as in the GDP of the world. Indian exports occupies nearly about 48% of stake in the GDP of our country. We in the total world export have reached to a magical figure of $28.5 trillion. Indian export have not even reached to a 780 billion figure, which is nearly about only 3% of stake in the total world export. India is a great resourceful and labor-intensive country having great, abundant and rich resources of production of fresh vegetables, fruits, grains, millets, cotton, textiles, and so many other manufactured products. As our country, India, is having a great vision of becoming world's third largest economy as well as world's number one largest exporter, we, all Indians, must contribute something in the great vision of our country. Therefore, we, IFT Global, is on the mission of creating successful exporter EXIM-pruners to support the great vision of our country. You also want to become a part of our mission. If your answer is yes, then here's the great opportunity for you to participate in our free live workshop on forthcoming Wednesday at 8 p.m. where you will learn more about import-export trade and the various career and business opportunities in the EXIM trade. I, Kishore Sanav, founder, trainer, coach, and mentor at the International Institute of Foreign Trade, having worked for more than 20 years at various MNCs in the international trade domain, would like to invite you for participating in our online free live workshop on forthcoming Wednesday at 8 p.m. on Facebook and YouTube. The entire workshop would be delivered only in English language. Be a part of our mission, join our free live workshop, and gain the valuable insights in the EXIM trade business. Unlock your hidden potential and be a part of India's global trade leadership. Our main objectives for conducting this free online live workshop are: number one, to clarify small and big myths, misconceptions, doubts, and fears about EXIM trade through our 10-step success formula used for creating successful EXIM-pruners. Number two, to make aware the public at large about the various career and business opportunities in the EXIM trade. So my dear friends, if you have a niche to make a career in the EXIM trade business and become a successful exporter, then click on the link below to register for our free online live workshop on forthcoming Wednesday at 8 p.m.